Hey guys, it's Spin here with another video, and today you see I have 0 robux. 0 robux. So you want to go over to buy. When you're on there, you want to go over to the bottom one that has the most expensive. And then you want to type in free. I'm kidding. You want to go over to buy. When you're on there, you want to click on any kind. It doesn't matter. I'm going to click on redeem Roblox gift card. And then I'm going to click on it. When you're on there, you want to go over to here where it says, you want to click on this where it says the most money. You want to copy that. Copy all of that. Copy all of that. When you're on that, you want to inspect. You want to click on this, and you want to click on free. When you have that, you want to click on, when you want to type anything, and you want to click on redeem, you want to copy that. Oops. You want to copy, come on. You want to copy that, and you want to click on inspect. You have to click on to, you want to do that. It'll be nothing, so when you click on that, it will work. And now it will work. Now you just need to click on redeem. Click. Now you got 3 pieces of Robux. I know it's not a lot. What we'll do today, I'm going to be showing you how to get 100 like tomorrow. Peace!